This is the NEET 2018 question from gravitation. If the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant is 10 times larger than in magnitude, which of the following statements are not correct? Be careful, what he is asking is which are not correct, right? So first of all, I have to find out how does gravity varies. How do we get that relation between small g and capital G? Let's calculate. If this is the earth, whose mass equal to m, whose radius equal to r, when there is a small mass on that, the weight on that is due to gravitational force between that two. So relation between them, G equal to Gm by r square. So be careful, here m is mass of the earth. Where what is changed is mass of the sun. That's not going to affect G in any way on the earth. But this G becomes 10 times. So G dash becomes 10 times larger now. 10 times of G, m becomes same, r square. That is 10 times of G. So it's very clear that because of the given condition, gravity is 10 times of gravity. What happens to time period of a simple pendulum? If you see that case, we know the formula. Time period is 2 pi into root of L by G. As G changes, time period also changes, right? As G T dash, I can write 2 pi into root of L by 10G. As denominator increased, this total fractional value decreases. As denominator increases, the overall fraction value decreases. Time period decreases is the right answer. But he wants who is not a right option. So, but this option is right. Walking on the ground also becomes difficult, obviously, because we walk against the gravity. As the G is more, it becomes difficult to walk. So this is also correct. Raindrops fall faster is also correct because when it is falling freely, they will acquire a velocity equal to root 2gh. G is more. Even if viscous force is taken into consideration, we will get an equation like 2 by 9 r square of rho minus density of G. So as a multiplication factor, as G increases, raindrops faster is also fine. The last option, that G on the earth will not change, is not correct because we found that G dash is 10 times of G. So this option is not correct, whereas all other options are correct. But in the problem he wants who is not correct. Be careful with this kind of questions. Who is not correct we want, therefore this is not correct, and that becomes answer for your problem. That becomes your answer. Right? Fourth is the not correct answer. That's how we have to solve this problem on basic concepts itself. Thank you for watching.